How to recover your lost data from Android device by using Recuva. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can recover lost data from Android device using Recuva. So without further delay, let's get started. So Recuva is a well-known data recovery software which is developed by Piriform, primarily designed for Windows system to recover deleted files from hard drives, memory cards, USBs, and even some Android storage if mounted as USB mass storage. So for that, what you have to do is you must have a PC with Recuva installed and also a USB cable to connect to your Android device, and make sure that your Android device supports mass USB storage, that is UMS. If you don't have Recuva installed in your device, make sure you install it. So open up a browser, then search for Recuva download. Head towards the second link on your interface. Now from here, you can download Recuva on your PC. After that, open the downloaded file and set it up in your device. Then you have to connect your Android phone to your PC via USB. And on your mobile device, you have to enable mass storage mode if available. You could have access to that through your developer options in your mobile device through these settings. And if your Android device supports USB mass storage, then you have to connect to the USB, enable it, then open up Recuva in your PC, then follow the recovery widget. Choose your file type that you want to recover, then select the Android device or SD card. Now select next and start scan. After the complete scan, Recuva shows all of the recoverable files. Then you have to select the files that you want to download or that you want to recover. Then click on recover. After that, save them to your PC, not to the Android device. And in case if your Android device does not support USB mass storage, then the alternative is to remove your SD card from your mobile device, insert it in your PC using a card reader, open Recuva, select the SD card drive and scan and recover. So if your device supports USB mass storage mode, follow the four steps as I have said, and if it does not, then you have to follow the second step to remove your SD card from your phone and follows as I have mentioned. So that's it. That's how you can recover your lost data on the Android device using Recuva. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.